Let's deploy a React app using Netlify. I have opened the Netlify website here. You can simply visit netlify.com and this website will be shown. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to sign up here. You have to create an account here. But okay, so let me show you how you can sign up. If you have an account already, you can simply log in then. Okay, so you can sign up here using GitHub, using we can say your email or any other option you want, GitLab, Gitbucket, anything. So I have already an account, so I gonna log in here. Okay, so I'll be logging in using my email. Okay, so here is my dashboard of Netlify. And here are the projects which I have deployed earlier using Netlify. This is my portfolio website, and this is the website which we have deployed earlier in a video. You can just check that out. This is amazing. Let me show you that, guys. Okay, so this is the website which we have completely made using AI, and I have deployed that using Netlify, we can say. So you guys can see it as well. I'll I'll simply add a link in the I button and you guys can visit. Okay, so let's come to the point, guys. I'm gonna go here in the projects. I will be clicking here add new projects and import an existing project. You can either import an existing project, you can start from a template or deploy manually. So I will be choosing this first one. Okay, so I will be choosing my GitHub account so that I can use a repository to deploy my React project, we can say. Okay, so okay, so it has authorized my GitHub, and these are the selected two repositories which I have we can say selected while authorizing GitHub to my Netlify. You guys can either select all or you can select any specific repository you want. So right now I want to deploy this to do app which is developed through React.js. Okay, I'm gonna give a name here which will be we can say React.js to do test app. Okay, so the project name is available and this will be the domain of the project after we will done deploying it. Okay, so you can switch to any branch from here. Right now I have the master branch only. So okay, this is the build command and the publish directory build, the folder which is made. Okay, okay, you can add any environment variable using these options, add key value pairs, or you can simply import from an env file. Okay, so I don't have any env file, so I'll just click here deploy react.js to do app, and it has started it. Okay, project deploy in progress. Let's see, guys, we should wait a bit. Okay, so I guess it's live now. Let's see. Okay, so it's deployed successfully. Let me add something here. React JS app deployed through Netlify. Add. Okay, so it's added here. New test task. Perfect. Now I'll be deleting that. Okay, so working great. This is the URL on which our website is deployed right now. Okay, perfect. You guys can also deploy a website using Netlify. Either it is your React.js project, either it's a website made using HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. I have also deployed my portfolio website using Netlify. Let me show you guys this one. And it's been a year. It is deployed through Netlify and it looks amazing. You guys can also host your portfolio websites over Netlify. It's really amazing that you can just deploy your websites free of cost. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was all for today. See you next time.